Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we are going to make Aval Halwa without a drop of oil. Heat a thick bottomed pan over low flame and roast 3 cups of Aval or Poha. Roast it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Transfer it into a blender and powder this. Keep it aside. Now grind 2.5 cups of grated coconut along with 2.5 cups of water. Transfer it into a strainer and press it gently with a spatula. Grind it again by adding 2.5 cups of water. Strain it and keep it aside. Heat 1.5 cups of Jaggery powder and 1/4 cup of water in a pan. When the Jaggery melts, filter it and keep it aside. Heat 1 teaspoon of ghee in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and roast it till it turns golden brown. Take it out into a bowl. Now roast 2 tablespoons of ground nuts in the same pan. When it turns golden brown, take it out and keep it aside. Now grease a tray with a little ghee and keep it aside. Heat a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add the coconut milk. Add the powdered aval or poha and mix well. Stir continuously and cook for about 5 minutes. Now add the jaggery syrup. Mix well. Now add 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and the roasted nuts. Mix well. Now reduce the flame. Stir continuously and cook it till it leaves the sides of the pan. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. When it starts leaving the sides of the pan, turn off the flame. Transfer it into the greased tray. Now press it gently and level it up. Garnish with the roasted nuts and sesame seeds. Refrigerate it for 12 hours. Now take it out and cut it into small pieces. Now it is ready to serve. Keep it in refrigerator. Please try it out and post your feedback.